Hi! In this video, I will show you how to upload videos on YouTube. After a successful login, go to your account and click on YouTube Studio. Go to Upload Video. Search for the file video you want to upload and click on Open. Input your title and input your description about the video you will upload. Here, you can upload your own thumbnail. You can also put it on your playlist. And make sure you know the target audience of your video. And click Next. YouTube is checking if your video has some issues and copyrights. After the checking, click Next. In this window, you can choose if you want to publish your video in private, unlisted, or public. You can also schedule your video on when to publish it in public. Then, click on Publish. Your video has already been uploaded and published. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!